Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone will be fine and good. I am Jam Muhammad and you are watching my channel Jam Forex Trading, and I have not been able to make video for last few weeks because I was busy, but I share analyzing on Instagram channel and my Telegram channel. Let's talk about gold. First of all, I was tell you and share gold has broken, you see, gold broke this area, 18 19 1920 area. So gold, if market break this area, so wow pips area covered till 1820 and again buy from 1820 to 2008. Here gold drop because a good original supply zone, and there are it was two entry. It was two entry 2007 and 1981. Let's see in daily time frame. You see, you see that here gold drop 2007, and it's a first target 1920 and another target 1840, because it's a good CP level. Let's see, I share analyzing market when break 1964 area, 1980 area. So it was very good entry from in 1964 and target 1920. Here you see that a good CP level in daily time frame. Market maybe in next week rejection and another entry from this CP level, and I share analyzing and SL with TP at this entry. Let's see in H4, and we see confirmation market. Yes, it's a good entry. You see that first of all, I take an entry from 2007 and another entry 2000 sorry 1991, and in this week it's a very good entry from 1984 1964, and hold this entry till 2000 sorry 1920. You see that market break this low area and demand area, and market close below, and again you see market close below from this demand area, and again strong selling. uh, let's see in daily time frame. So why my target 1920 and another target 1840? You see here it's a good demand area and a CP level. Every CP and demand, strong demand market follow little bit, and maybe market here little bit rejection, but for buy I can use confirmation rule. But if you see in weekly and the monthly time frame, so it's a strong sell side. So join my Telegram channel and Instagram channel for exact goal entry. If you want about talk about learning course, funded account passes and account management, so text on Instagram channel or Telegram admin. Thank you so much.